Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The trend just continues. The Dow had another strong day on Friday. You can see how wave 3 of this J-hook pattern remains in progress as long as the Dow trades up above the T-line. Not only the T-line, but you can see it's up above the 3T line, which adds additional confirmation that the bulls are in control. Same scenario over here on the NASDAQ. Bah humbug. It consolidated on Friday, but came up and closed just slightly positive. A good indication that along the way, profit taking is occurring, and then the buying continues. That tells you there's no exuberance coming into this market just yet. So there's not any great sectors in this market. So it's the strong signals that we want to pay attention to. For example, the kicker signal, which was illustrated here in Oracle, excuse me, kicker signal is very simple to identify. It opens here, closes here. The next day they gap it up at or above the previous day's open and go the opposite direction, telling you the investor sentiment has been kicked in a new direction. You can see how that started this trend on Sienna. There's your kicker signal, and this is the expected results after a kicker signal, a very strong price move. We saw that also occurring in AFYA. Notice how you had a kicker signal right off the 50-day moving average, making the next likely target up here to the 200. So the kicker signal is one of your strongest, if not the strongest, of your individual signals out of the 12 major candlestick signals. STON had good earnings on Friday, and they did a kicker signal. Small price stock, but this, again, has the probabilities of moving higher based upon that kicker signal. You can use that same information when you're in an uptrend. Our recommendation on IHEAR, notice how the kicker signal occurred right here at the T-line. We're still anticipating that this uptrend remains in progress because of this information right here. So this is where we use the 2+2. Notice on ALCOA, did a kicker type signal breaking out of this fry pan bottom. Usually a good strong probability indication there's going to be more upside. So the 2+2 analysis is they broke out with a kicker signal coming out of this kind of fry pan bottom J-hook pattern, telling you the T-line was acting as support. More than likely, there's going to be the possibility of a wave 1, wave 2, now going into wave 3. And it works just as effectively on the downside. Notice your trend was up, and then they opened at the previous day's open or below the previous day's open and closed in this direction. That's a strong indication that the bears are definitely in control. Look for more downside. So as long as this market, continues to trade up above the T-line without any change of direction, continue to stay long. There are short positions out there working, but the portfolio should be biased toward the long side. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.